Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you that how you can hide the number of people liked your video and the number of people disliked your video that you upload in your YouTube channel in the YouTube app. So without any further delay, let's begin. So guys, I will be using here internet browser here, and you can use here any browser just like Opera Mini, UC browser or Chrome browser. Okay, so after opening any browser you need to type youtube.com, means you need to open the YouTube official website of YouTube here, and it has been opened here, and you need to open it in the desktop mode. So I will enable the desktop mode here. So I enabled here, and after that I will be using here portrait mode that you could see it properly. So guys, portrait mode has been enabled here, and after that you can see a logo, official logo of my Google account at the right side, at the right corner of the screen. So you need to press on that, and after pressing on that a lot of options will appear here, and you need to select YouTube Studio at the third number. Okay, so after selecting the YouTube Studio will be opened here, and it has been opened here, and I'm going to show you the whole process with a proof. Okay, so guys, our YouTube Studio has been opened here, and I will also show you the proof here, and I'm going to try this method on my uploaded video that I have already uploaded it on my YouTube channel. So I will open here my YouTube app, and I will show you that on which video I am going to use this method. Okay, so it's my official YouTube channel, so I will go on the video, and so it's my video, and I will show you here. So guys, you can see here there are 19 like on this video that I have uploaded here, and there is no any dislikes. So you can see here, and I will show you that how to hide this number of like and number of dislike. So first of all guys, you need to open here YouTube Studio. That how does I opened here. So and after that press on the video option. You can see here. So after pressing it on the video option, the videos that you have uploaded to your YouTube channel will be appear here. All videos will be appear here. So it's all the list of my video that I have uploaded here, and I am going to edit the video that I will show you here. So install Kali Linux on Android by Userland. This was the video, and I am going to apply the whole process on this video. So I will press on that video, and after that you can see an option like a pen. Okay, this symbol is actually, it means edit. Okay, so I will click on that pen option, means edit option, and after that our video details will be opened here. So after that you can see here title, description that I have already been written here. So after I don't need to do anything here, so simply you need to scroll down at the last. Okay, and after that you can see the option show more. You need to click on that show more. So after clicking on the show more, you can see the tags here, and at the last you can see here. So how many viewers like and dislike this video. So guys, the video that I will show, that I showed now in the YouTube app, there you were able to see the all likes and dislikes, the number of likes and dislikes, because I have mark on this option. Okay, so I am going to unmark this option. So and I will save here. So our changes has been already saved here. So I will open the YouTube app again here, and I will show you So I will refresh here. So guys, and after being refreshed, you can see here the video I'm going to show you here. So this was my video, and I will click here, so it will start running, and I will pause it here. So guys, finally you can see here number of like and number of dislike has been hidden here. So you are not able to see here the number of like and number of dislike, either there was any likes or dislike. So this was the full process. So I hope that you understand this all process. So guys, this was for today, and if this video was helpful to you, then leave a like and leave a comment below here in this video. So, and if you want to watch these types of YouTube related video and technology related video, then you can subscribe to my channel. It's all free, and you can press on the all notification to get the latest update, that when I upload the video, that you could know the notification at the first. Okay, so thank you and goodbye.